This is our second event. The idea of the whole thing is to get a message out, and that message is to put down your knives and stop committing crimes.
So Street Doctors are here at today's event because we want to teach young people about the risks involved, like for example that there isn't anywhere that's safe to be stabbed, and we also want to empower them that they have the tools, that they know how to save somebody's life and what to do if they first encounter somebody who was bleeding.
We're here to show what else is possible when you engage your mind, when you pursue a path more to do with passion, with purpose. We're trying to really unlock potential. Talent is everywhere, opportunity is not. That's the role that we provide at the Spartan Project.
For me, one thing I really want young people to think about, and something to think about in the future, is finding their purpose alongside their passion, and how once you recognise those things, your life can truly change and dreams become a lot more achievable, and the impact you leave on the world is a lot more positive.
They've already gained so much. We're only through the first half of the day. They're recognising the importance of coming together as a community. I think they can see how important it is for them to have a voice on these topics. They're learning that I don't want to go down that route. We've been united in this place not out of a sense of love for something, but out of a hatred of knife crime.
It was very educational as I learned about the major roles in the justice system. The biggest thing I've taken away from today is that you shouldn't carry knives and you should think about the consequences before you do so.
Sometimes I forget that how sheltered we are as kids. They're trying to bring it into our environment through these talks and stuff. It's very important.
The mock trial was better than I expected. I really enjoyed being there and really helping.
I learned that you get punished by holding a knife for having one on you, as I didn't know that before. And it really shows how holding a knife can really backfire on you.
Community engagement like this is just incredibly important for ensuring that children learn about the dangers of knife crime, learn about how our law and our courts work. So it's really good to see HMCTS lead the way, organise events like this.
If everyone who attends this event leaves and tells at least one other person about what they've seen and heard today, and as a result of that, between us all, we can prevent one person from carrying a knife and one person being a victim of a knife crime and saving a life, then it's a small step in the right direction.